How long does it take to restore an iPhone? The time can vary based on factors like network speed and data size, and sometimes the process can get stuck or take too long. This video explains what affects restore time and shows practical ways to fix iPhone restore issues. Part 1. How long does it take to restore an iPhone? Restoring an iPhone means resetting it to factory settings and restoring backup data. iTunes restores usually take 30–60 minutes, iCloud 1–3 hours, depending on data size, backup frequency, restore method, and network speed. Here's a simple table for a clearer comparison. Part 2. How long does it take to factory reset an iPhone? If you factory reset your iPhone from iPhone settings, the whole process may take a few minutes, given that you are using the latest iPhone model with the updated iOS firmware. That is to say, if you are using old iPhone models and obsolete iOS versions, the factory reset process may take longer to finish. Part 3. How to fix it when restoring an iPhone takes too long. Apple hasn't officially stated how long an iPhone restore should take, and slow restores via iTunes or iCloud can be frustrating. Knowing the typical restore time helps you troubleshoot delays effectively. Here are some valuable tips that you can have a try. 3.1 How to fix restoring from iTunes takes too long. Tip 1. Update iTunes. Using an outdated iTunes can slow down iPhone restores. Updating to the latest version often helps speed up the process. 1. On your Mac, launch iTunes. Click iTunes on the Apple menu. Choose the Check for Updates option. Update iTunes if there's a newer version. 2. On your Windows PC, run iTunes. Click Help in iTunes window. Tap Check for Updates. Follow the on-screen prompts to update iTunes when a recent version is there. Tip 2. Restart your iPhone. If an iPhone restore gets stuck, you can force restart it to stop the process. The method varies by model. iPhone 6s or older, hold Home plus power until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7s Plus, hold volume down plus power until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 8 and later, hold a volume button plus side button. Use the power slider to turn off, then hold side button until the Apple logo shows. Tip 3. Try a different USB cable or computer. A slow iPhone restore can be caused by a damaged or non-genuine USB cable or computer issues. Use an Apple certified cable and try restoring on a different computer to identify the problem. Tip 4. Disconnect your iPhone from the computer and try again. Some glitches which cause the restoring iPhone from iTunes to take too long can be fixed this way. However, it may not work all the time. 3.2 How to fix restoring from iCloud takes too long. Tip 1. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. Ensure that you connect to a stable and strong Wi-Fi network before restoring your iPhone from the iCloud backup. Also, plug your iPhone into a power source during the whole process since the restoring process may last hours. Tip 2. Switch off the large app backup. Large app backups can slow down iPhone restores. To speed it up, go to Settings, your name iCloud Backup, and turn off backup for large apps or files. Tip 3. Stop restoring from iCloud Backup immediately. If iCloud Restore gets stuck, you can stop it by going to Settings, iCloud Backup, stop restoring iPhone, and confirming the action. Tip 4. Delete large and unwanted files. Large media files can slow iPhone restores. Delete unnecessary files from iCloud Backup or back them up to a computer, then restore the remaining data to speed up the process. Tip 5. Avoid downloading and uploading files via other apps. When restoring your iPhone with iCloud, please stop downloading and uploading data with other apps. Too many running processes will decelerate the restoring process. 3.3 Use iOS System Recovery to fix iPhone restoring taking forever. iOS System Recovery is a professional tool that fixes various iPhone system issues, including restore errors, stuck restores, and other errors like battery drain or screen problems, helping your iPhone return to normal. Step 1. After installing this program on your computer, launch it and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Next, tap More Tools from the left sidebar and enter the iOS System Recovery mode. Step 2. The program will automatically detect the iPhone and display the problem on the screen. After that, click the Start button to continue. Step 3. Confirm the iPhone information on the screen to customize the repair process. If it is incorrect, choose the right one from the drop-down lists. Then, hit the Repair button to start fixing the problem.